So moving on, the next one is odd numbers and even numbers. So what is the difference actually? So odd numbers, as you might know, is like everything that is not in the 2 times table. So 3 is not in the 2 times table and it's an odd number like that. So 2, 4, 6, those stuff are not an odd number. So you might be wondering, then what is even? Well, even is the things that are in the 2 times table. Odd is the things that odd are the numbers that aren't, and even is the things that are. So that is the difference. And so imagine 5 plus 7. 5 and 7, when you add them, you get the answer 12, because 5 and 7 is 12. So you can figure out from that odd and odd is always an even number. So 7 and 5 are not in the 2 times table and they are odd numbers, and when you add those two together, you get an odd number 12. You get an even number 12, and it's 2 for everything. So 7, 9, you still get 16, and 16 is an even number like that. And so even and odd, if for example 12 plus 5, so 12 and 5 is of course 17. So odd and even is 17. Odd and even. So odd and even is always an odd number. Another example is 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is 5, and 5 is an odd number. And then what is 2 even numbers? So 2 plus 2 is 4, 10 plus 12 is 22, and 8 plus 12 is 20. So even plus even is always even. Bye. If you learned something from this video, please comment about it, like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. And have a nice day. Bye.